喂，darling 啊，Yeah, yeah, I know today is our anniversary, but I cannot go back earlier. My boss is here.
I don't care.
Hey, boss, sorry today I start my 8. I need to go back earlier.
Hey, are you this on
Day 2.
What? You start my 8? Okay, I come back now. Sorry, boss, today my girlfriend start my 8. I need to rush.
The next day.
What's I? Today really start my 8 Hello, boss I really be done already. I start my 8. I think I need to take MC today.
Oh, okay. Okay. Walao on 免做I decline.
Next time, please apply leave in AutoCount payroll apps.